Today we're doing Unit 4, Day 2 examples on multiplying matrices, this time with a calculator. So first, to enter a matrix on a calculator, we have to hit alpha and then the zoom. It'll pull up the dimensions of our matrix, and our first matrix is 2 by 3. So we need to make sure we have 2 rows and then 3 columns, which we have. Hit OK. The matrix appears on the screen. Then we type in the numbers, so we have 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 2, and then -5, and 1, and then times, and then again our second matrix we see is 3 by 3, so the first thing we need to do is specify the dimensions. So alpha, zoom, and this is now a 3-row by 3-column matrix. Click OK, and then we type the numbers in, and we get -3, and then 2, 1, and then 4, and then we have -2, 0, and the last row we have 1, 2, 3. Once all the numbers are in and we make sure they are all correct, we hit enter and we get our answer. So let me just paste this over here. So we see that this now is the answer, and I'm going to circle it. So this right here is our answer as a matrix. Okay, we're going to do the second example, and for our second example, again, we're multiplying two 3 by 3 matrices. So again, first one, we have to tell the calculator what the dimensions are. We see that we have here 3 by 3, so we click OK, and then we just enter the numbers in. So 7, 5, and then -4. And in the next row we have -2, and then 5, and 1. And then in the third row we have 10, -4, and -7. Whoops. And -7. And then times. And then again we have another 3 by 3 matrix. So we enter that in there, enter the numbers in. So we have 2, and then -2, and 3, and then 8, and 1, and 4. And then the last row we have -4, and 2, and -8. Once all that's in, we make sure it's correct, we hit enter, and we get our answer matrix, which is this here, 3 by 3 matrix. And let me just paste this over in here. So this would be our answer for the second one. And let me go ahead and circle this, and I'll make this in red like I did last time. So this here would be our answer matrix, or 3 by 3 matrix.